Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Sunnyside Acura, we have the 2022 Rivian R1T Adventure Edition. Now, yes, I have reviewed one of these before. However, it wasn't the best video in the world. So, we of course have the front trunk with your charger and everything you need there. Obviously, soft close. Cameras mounted everywhere in the truck, and you of course have the gear tunnel. So this goes all the way through to the other side. Obviously you can get camping equipment if you want. I believe that was an option. Your tonneau cover moves forward and back like so. So this thing is absolutely amazing. Just absolutely, all the materials in here are so stunning for the price point. And I'm talking about sticker price. These things were going for almost double sticker at one point. We're at $78,000 including destinations. So this is the Adventure, the large battery pack, the L cap, exterior color 21-inch road wheel and tire, forest edge, the powered tonneau cover, quad motor, all-wheel drive. Absolutely insane truck. And then I forgot to do this on the other one. You have a Rivian speaker. Well, hello. This thing is sick and a huge party trick for this truck. So we are in sport mode. We've only got 30 miles of range, so battery's pretty low. However, gives you a good idea for what this truck is like. Everything is all controlled through that touchscreen. I still, after spending 20 minutes to learn this thing, I still don't think I found everything. Suede headliner, huge panoramic moonroof, tons of regenerative braking. Oh, this is standard? Oh, come on, let's put it on high. Oh my God. That is just insane. I am blown away by this truck. I will say it's so quiet, but you do have some motor noise. That's actually really surprising me. I didn't expect any motor noise. High regen. I will say, all right, this is gonna be going, I think this was the first to hit market for electric pickup trucks. And so far, it's the only one I've driven, so therefore it's my favorite. But the materials in here for the price point, the first time I saw the sticker price, I said, holy crap, this is a bargain. And it is. This thing is a bargain. And I know 80 grand is a lot of money, but for a startup manufacturer, not something they've had years to develop, well, they actually have, but you know, decades of development. This is a startup manufacturer. This is their first car. And it is such a good vehicle. When I say flat out that this is one of my favorite trucks, that's 100% true. This is one of my favorites. It's just so livable, so absolutely insane. Let's see, use that high regen, not braking, quad motor. Having the battery down low produces a really nice handling vehicle. Oh man, I love this truck. You know, I wasn't terribly smitten on it with my first impression. The drive wasn't ideal. Now that I've spent some more time alone with it, I love this truck. It is so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.